I am Mukundhan. Now I am going to do balloon experiments. The first one is self-inflating balloon. Materials required is vinegar, baking soda, a spoon and a balloon. First, put the baking soda in the balloon. Now tie the balloon in the bottle's neck. Wow! Look, the balloon is blowing itself. That's because vinegar contains acetic acid. So, when you put baking soda in it, the gas forms, so the balloon blows itself. The next experiment is balloon skewer. First, take a balloon, blow it and tie it. Then, if you take a stick and if you put the stick in the balloon this place, the balloon will pop. But when you put in this place, the balloon doesn't pop. See. See, the balloon doesn't pop. That's because this part of the balloon, the elastic is still thick. So, if you put the stick in, the balloon doesn't pop. The next experiment is balloon rocket. Take a paper cup, put the hole in this center. Now, take a balloon, blow it but don't tie it. Now, take this mouth of the balloon, put it in this hole. If you leave this balloon, it will fly. That's because if you let the air out of your balloon, the air goes down. The opposite reaction creates and it pushes the balloon up, so the balloon flies. Let's see how it flies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.